Hi, this is Chris Roshnaw, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'm taking a look at the TopGreener 36-watt Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 and USB-C power delivery enabled wall charger. So you get both ports right here. This is the power delivery USB Type-C port, and this is the Quick Charge 3.0 port with Qualcomm charging technology. This is a compact wall charger with a flip-out wall plug. We like these a lot. Saves a lot of space in the bag, doesn't snag on anything, and you can charge multiple devices at once. This provides 18 watts of power, and this provides 18 watts of Quick Charge 3.0 power. Here's some details of what it has to offer. So you can see the output right there, PD and QC 3.0, 18 watts for both. And you could use this with the new iPhone, the new Samsung, really any of the new smart gadgets that don't take a lot of energy, but 18 watts per port is pretty good. Thank you.